Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Yo Yen Daily, I mean, it still looks like a possible wave B. So if we do get a break to the downside on sort of time phase, it's probably going to tell us that we're going to go all the way down, take out the low of wave 4 for a wave C before we actually continue the uptrend. So we definitely want to keep an eye out for that, but we also want to keep an eye out for the fact that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend still. So what's that tell me? That tells me that there's also a possibility that it just keeps on going up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, to me it definitely looks like it's due for a pullback. If I zoom out quite a ways on the 1 hour time frame, I mean it definitely looks impulsive down. It definitely looks like one, two, three waves up. If we get a break of structure to the downside today, then most likely that is a wave B. This is your wave A, and then it will potentially go down quite a bit for a wave C, which would definitely be a really nice sorting opportunity. I definitely would want to see the break of structure to believe it. I would prefer to wait for the break of structure than wait for a pullback that would come after the break of structure to enter sort. Otherwise, you potentially could be entering and then it rejects structure and just continues up because when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend and then you go down to the 1 hour time frame and come up with reasons to go short, sometimes it's just a bear trap for the liquidity grab for the big money traders. So definitely be careful. I would definitely want to see a nice solid break of structure before I would decide to go short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.